Welcome puzzle fans to another edition of Puzzle Time, and remember we have got to think outside the box. So here we go, today's puzzle. We've got 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 550, and this one is called Don't Be Silly because that is a silly calculation. You should be thinking right now that 5 plus 5 plus 5 should actually be equal to 15. However, the puzzle is this. We've got to add one line somewhere on this page to make the sum correct. Now the question is, where does the line go? It can be anywhere on the page. It may be a vertical line, like so. It may be a horizontal line, and it may even be a slanted line. But all we need is one line. So where does that line go to make the sum correct? As usual, as soon as you see this symbol, press pause, think about it for as long as you want, and then press play when you're ready for the answer. Okay, if you haven't got the answer, then all you need to think about is these plus signs here. So where can you put the single line, something to do with this plus sign, to make the calculation correct? If you still haven't got it, let me show you. If you put a plus sign, take a plus sign and put a line on that plus sign, you turn the plus sign into a 4. And now that reads as 545. Well, 545 add 5 equals 550. So putting the plus sign there is one answer. You might even put the line as slanted to make it into a little 4 like that. Or you could put the line on the other plus sign. It will still make 550. Or you could make a slanted line to make a little 4 there. So 5 plus 545 still equals 550. There is one other answer that some of you may have done, and you could actually put a line through the equals. Anytime you've got a line through an equals like that, it's almost like crossing the equal sign out, and it actually means is not equal to. So what you're saying there is 5 plus 5 plus 5 is not equal to 550, and that is also technically correct. So you could turn one of the plus signs into a 4, you could turn the other plus sign into a 4, or you could cross out the equal sign, and any of those answers are correct. Join us again for another edition of Puzzle Time.